student, this is Sandeep Singh, your SST teacher. Student, I have already explained the chapter 5, the Northern Plains. In this lesson, I have already explained the what is plain and how is Northern Plain form, and what is extension of Northern Plains. Okay, and also explain the three river basin of the northern plain like Satluj river basin, Ganga river basin and Brahmaputra river basin. Okay, as you see here that the Brahmaputra river is the important river of northeast India, and it is the largest river of India. And Sundarban Delta, the Ganga and Brahmaputra river make a delta. Okay, that is a world largest delta. A delta is a triangle shape of the river when the river fall into the sea or ocean or other water bodies, then he divided into many parts, and in triangle shape that is called delta. Okay, now today I am going to explain the life in the northern plains. Okay, so let's start now. The northern plain are one of the most fertile and densely populated region in India. As you know that the northern plain is a very populated area because here the climatic condition and the activity is easier than the other part of the region, so this region is most populated. Okay, occupations. What is occupation in this region? Agriculture and industries are two important occupation of the people living here. The main occupation here is agriculture and industry. Okay, but farmer grow rice, wheat, pulses, sugarcane, fruits and vegetables. This region is suitable for agriculture, so there are various types of crops are grown in this region and farmer also grow them. Punjab is the largest producer of wheat in India. Punjab is the largest producer of wheat because here the availability of water by canal or other means of irrigation, so the farmers able to more crops in this region, more wheat in this region. Rice is mainly grown in hot and wet region where the rainfall receive, and the climate is also hot, near about 35 degrees centigrade. This region is suitable for rice growing. Okay, West Bengal and Bihar is the these types of climatic region that is grow rice in India. The main industry in this region are sugar, automobile parts, textile and heavy machinery. The main parts of the main industry are the main industries are sugar, automobile and textile. Sugar means which are extract sweet powder which extract from sugar cane, and automobile it means the we use to making vehicles like two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers, truck, etc. And textile it means the making of clothes. Okay, and heavy machinery like sheep and machines, animal husbandry and dairy farming is also important activities. In these cities, people take up other job as well as. Okay, next, cities. Many large cities like Chandigarh, Amritsar, Delhi, Meerut Agra, Aligarh, Varanasi, Kanpur, Bareilly, Lucknow, Allahabad, Patna, Kolkata and Guwahati lies in the northern plains. These are the main city of the northern plains like Chandigarh, Amritsar, Delhi, Meerut, Agra, Aligarh, Varanasi, Kanpur, Bareilly, Lucknow, Allahabad, Patna, Kolkata, Guwahati, and other cities are also important in this region. Now look at the once again name the three tributaries of the river Ganga. As you know that what is tributary? A tributary is a river which fall into other river and called tributaries. The three river of Ganga is Yamuna. Yamuna is the important tributary of Ganga which originated from Yamunotri glacier, and other is Gomti. Gomti river flow near the Lucknow, and Lucknow is the situated on the Gomti river. And next is Kosi. Kosi river flow in Bihar which come from Nepal. These are the important tributary of river Ganga. Okay. Name the dam built on the Satluj river. Name the dam built on the Satluj river. Which dam built on the Satluj river? The answer is Bhakhara Nangal Dam. Okay. Bhakhara Nangal Dam is the built on the Satluj river. And what is dam? A dam is a barrier to check the water behind them, and we use the water for many purpose called dam. Okay. Name the Indian states through which Brahmaputra flows. Name the states through the which Brahmaputra flows. So in Arunachal Pradesh, where the Brahmaputra enter in India. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh. And next is Assam and Bengal, and then enter in Bangladesh. Okay, so these are the states where the Brahmaputra flows. Okay. Next we look at the culture and art. The northern plain enjoy the rich and varied culture states. Each state has its own special food, tradition, clothes, festivals, and style of art, dance, and music. The northern plains in each state has its own rich culture, and they have also speak different types of language. They different types of clothes, wear different types of clothes, and they grow the different types of crop. Okay, and festival also celebrate in different types. So the varied culture found here. So look at the food. People in northern plains eat a wide variety of food. Okay, as you know that in the northern part of India, Punjab, Haryana is the largest producer of wheat. So here is the staple food of Punjab and Haryana is wheat, while wheat is the main cereal in northern and western part. In Bengal and Assam, rice and fish widely consumed, where the Bengal and Assam where rice is grown extensively. So here is the staple food of Bengal and Assam is fish and rice. Shown here are some types of food eaten in northern plains. There are some types of food given in picture. The vegetarian thali, rice, chapati and dal and paneer is eaten in northern India, and kebab, which is the non-vegetarian common in Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow is the famous for its kebab, and litti is the famous traditional food in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh also. It is also now famous in all India, over all India. And next is tandoori, is chicken, is popular dish Punjab. Okay, the traditional Assamese meal with rice, vegetable and fish. Here look at the traditional dish of Assamese where they eat the rice, vegetables and fish. The Helsa fish cooked in mustard seed popular delicacies in West Bengal. Bengali people are enjoy with Helsa fish. Okay. Now language. There are various languages spoken in here in this region. The main language in northern India, Hindi, Punjabi is the main language in the state of Punjab. Okay, in Punjab the main language is Punjabi, but Hindi is also spoken here. And in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar is the main language Hindi. Okay. West Bengal speak Bangla. In West Bengal, people speak Bangla. Okay, and Assam in Assamese. Okay, so you have look at there are various languages spoken in this region. Clothings. The women of Punjab and Haryana traditionally wear salwar kurta. Okay, salwar kurta, gagra choli, and dupatta. Sari is more popular in Uttar Pradesh, as you seen here. In Uttar Pradesh, women of Uttar Pradesh wear sari. Here is most popular dresses. Okay, the traditional wear main kurta pajama or dhoti. The dhoti tie of different ways in different state. Dhoti is such a clothes that we wear by people in different ways like Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and festivals are also celebrated in this region. Different types of festival are celebrated like Diwali, Dasara, Holi, Eid and Christmas are widely celebrated in this region. Guru Parv and Baishakhi as special festival of Punjab, Chhath in Bihar, Durga Puja in Bengal, and Bihu in Assam important festival. There are many types of festivals are celebrated in this region, but each state has its own special festival like Chhath, Diwali, Dasara, Holi, Eid, Christmas are widely celebrated. But Guru Parab in and Baisakhi in Punjab, Chhath where is celebrated? Bihar. Okay, and Durga Puja in Bengal, and Bihu is in Assam is celebrated. Okay, there are celebrated in the states region. Handicrafts work. Each region of the northern plains has its own special form handicraft where the Madhubani painting Mithila region in Bihar. You look here the Madhubani painting. It is famous in Mithila region Bihar, and the terracotta which is the made by the clay by hand in West Bengal in Bishnupur. It is famous is name as terracotta art. And next is the chicken curry embroidery in Lucknow. When the special artifacts used in clothes used at clothes, that is called chicken curry, and fulkari embroidery in Punjab. Okay, so there are many types of handicrafts work in other states. So student, in this lesson we have explained about the northern plains, and let us look at the once again the main points of the lesson. Okay, what is the main food of the in this region? Like dal chapati paneer, kebab, litti, tandoori, and rice and fish. Okay, the clothes they wear like ghagra choli, salwar kurta, and dupatta in Haryana, where Bihar and Uttar Pradesh people, women's wear sari and kurta pajama and dhoti wear in different states. Okay, so this is the lesson chapter number 5, the northern plains. In next video we will explain the exercise of this lesson. You will learn the main points of the lesson, like summing up and exploring new words. Okay, goodbye.